Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Brian Pacho, please kindly come in.
Brian, quick one.
Okay, and then Brian Pacho.
You made in fact, I'm saying, Eddie Khan, I bet them must see. About that right here for any other platforms on my boy in I better be asking. Near see Ejuma. We are Jumans where we are. I can't say, we can't say, I have a cry. Ejuma senior Kitia. Ejuma, my Ejuma power, and a dear do be a ding. Once a beginning, no, now say, Munchu. In fact, almost as I'm watching conference, no more my ding. It are turning in us with a trap. Me, who's will be a do be a tomorrow. But me and fancy here. You see, a lawyer, no one's a canal for free, the credit. What a mission. My idea, but you man, I'm a far almost so. You see, I'm sorry for that one. I'm almost almost here. Client, where do you may, but my as I say, Mom, Mokakra, why? Now, intimate service are problem. We now, yes, I know a job, my message may so I'm for so. So, until you made a distress. Oh, so let's not so account of the me trust and to run with a report. No man like that's one idea. In time, Casamua, in the Casa for some money, mamma. No man like that's one idea and parts everything you know, if you my wife. Now, we will have your casio $10 so, $5 so, say a dozen, $2 so. I eat Tim Talawa for my behind in an somebody in Como. No person come near the moon, I'm with my boy. So the mission, because they be between Como. When I'm more and someone who mentioned, you know, no lesson to Quanian to us. Why? Internet macho, Obia Kakaka, what they best them. MC a hammer, you see a hammer, and see a toss of more day in you say we are saying there's a Akosua crab or the boy, yenum cinema boy, but celebrate you man and yet you no. On the mission, Mamma Kakra, why? Because you see, say, you'll be pa ya corner, but I say also make a cancel with matching. To the more, no, than the winning your palm, says here, then to the Momoy now. Yeah, for be and 2 years, there be a crumbe di no mutim be to go to baby. You say, Jape, almost as some adenasi. So that makes them right to the with the chopper and yes, at the why.
All right. I know, say you have sent your money and I've sent.
Yeah. Say example. Normally, me be shut up. Number is all better slow. That's one fan to slow.
Oh,
that's slow my why.
Pacho number there too on Mr. Pacho. If you want to support the PR team, Pacho, please kindly send to the number on the screen. It didn't so you can check it. All right. Yao King, Brian.
Yo, Micha, it's here for you now.
Yeah, just
platform soon now. I'm say and I say much mama Mara who
Oh,
the parliament for you know boy no. And I say no I'm because these are all the type of music it because me you beer free music dear in my life. Na me pet is answer be a woman and be to be a name woman no na free music ni be na I am lie. I'm starting free music Abramiba Germany through Lumba. Because nene so easy in the 90s. The sana nyumna na chichiri rare sebi timi pebi way through. Na maybe the news about the early. I'm say a sales or the early assembly bab. Na made that they be anana ase best sorry for my chinti. Na mitami way na nebia matimi abemubi. And yen dibia na mitimi beden ebetum. Na me pese me bisa se ele no mo kono idea omo de kose omo fan out say Akosua serwaa no se be only legal marriage bia na efie so marriage bia ni wa eno nti oni authorization bia so timi forward this ane manana
no appeal ni dey say enye omo no mo koyesa mama Akosua serwaa ne nkofo na ekọ appeal enti no the appeal is just like
omo cover the LA.
Oh, okay. The letters of administration, and yeah. I'll say, letters of administration. It has nothing to do with the attaching marriage certificate.
About the property. Said Ellen is about the property, Sana.
Yes, but they didn't attach any marriage certificate. All they attached was that Lumba need death certificate. What I say, no more affidavit almost.
The paper say, and the lawyers know, say, be a Oma Dege into deep and we say, be a Germany, no, because that's one who need a marriage. And if you so, since also better, they say, on so the next one, so Arabian. And
the lawyers no issue. Okay, we can't answer for them. Even if we know crowd, we can't answer for them. It's strictly for the lawyers and the works that they are doing. What I say?
Yeah, okay. Because we say in the Okulina, we say let's need more about what is really going on.
And one thing I make us say, even if he knows Mpoa. He's not the one to say it on social media, and I say it's not in his jurisdiction to talk about this.
Okay, all right, that's
all right. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm not there for you.
Just right here. What you to say?
Yes, I don't. That's what me I feel, sir. But you be able to.
Yeah, nyame adom any mo Bible. Me ho, me shipopa me hwe ne ekoso bia. Me koko ha me ntimu satans na ya me pese me ba panel so. Yeah. Ye beda mu nyina ase. Na ne mesra ne se mu nyina ase mo da mo mpaye ma minua ba Odo Broni ni abusua panyin tupa. Me tupa ke din kura na mani age keke. And I just be a less in meeting. Mom pay mo munina or my idea. Now, if I join ye, me person make a bra less it can sing be. Or see, I will call to know, say, Mammy, bring Poma can say, Shaisi, and I said, Shaisi. Yeah. Jama Hano say, Nipabu or Mubufua. And omo kasa wedding. Kasa wedding. O kasa wedding na udi agora open obetu no. Nkora na omo wa nyina omo bufu a. Omo kapono no hwim wan hwa wo ye maami ana wo ye papa na to wa. This o ye din na akora no ka hwim na akwa kohye dem na o kasa kasa. Nti obufu a na omo kasa wedding shaise. Yeah. Brian Yamin come who be a be a number no me pick me no be dim komo. Abraya de ni suban ya te se me o. Yeah, media na o kasa. O ka se obenyo e se o munyina wu no. Me da me se asama e wo mitimu.
E no wa come on.
Yeah. Because I was just kan ya.
So na ye juma.
O twese kan ya se o wu sikan ya no. E na me kura me mpese o munua na o mo boroboro no. Any kwan say mutuo light to so. Because I don't know more yan so ye nipa na se wadwen eye adwuma. Utim bisa ho question bebre. Ukwa ko support obi nipa no onya na japade a enye wode. Nti ade nti na wode wo mba na yi nyina kwa ko buru nua wo.
No de obadase.
Niya mi yan say ya ewu abrochiri nso na ye disanse mhunu no. Mami form ye nana o seminar no me dia no omo na dia nimu ene ye sadem because I am
yes, so they don't get any person to let them know say adia wo ye nyenti jai, but they will get people to cheer them on and support them and even tell them how to go do it.
One say ya babruchiri no dodo na ye se nye obia na de no buy into otimi ye onya internet otua internet se $50 and say $35 and say €20 otua the whole month no number bia onya internet nti onya ba TikTok a obie na no ana o ka say because wanya adwuma akora abosumi aban be manix kakakra de adidi nti no especially German for no omo kanzama mitimission di maami we obekasa numere na wo kase ne wode ne baba ba akopɛ na owu a sa maami we pa maami nkama no ntum minimum no pa nsem hunu na oba bedi ye na maami nkana menko ne wo ye no ento asumu nti ne bo no baso number no mefa minimum ne me why
mate nyame bonsha
oba.
All right, thank you so much Mama Cash.
For what you say?
Yes, I don't know now, sir.
And that family. because my kuhie wa menim so be ba ti na muka ni nyina manti ete mbe ye reputation
and yeah, this is Alex so all of it reputation
Sarah Sheba catch us all your reputation because yeah my train and rawamba let me send this one but me for the name media was na me did die
and rather na me say me nyabo no my yanko for others your best send there no when so my yentimi send the other be omo ne ma wo ni number your best send more others ochina why nti but won send details no be about just send why na yes send more others no ochina mo
nkofo we yo munti eduabo asi o eduabo munti eduabo asi omo fi say omo ka ese magoda ebia ka kire na omo dade onu na ba be ya juma mami bi wawu bebre omo si bam nyamia cheni ba bemba oba fefefe omo onim wa yasika no mu ya de nipa no bisa no se menua sika we wu na o fai o si enyemio ne o ti ase enam anu na fai so
Mama Cash, hold on. Vivian, number the one now pay. If you want the number for my business, and only you know munim number but this one is to support the PR team. What you say? All right. So let me know the number you want. Is it from the one previously there and this one? So let me know. Yes, Mama Cash, Pacho.
I feel they know fancio or body no they are gum. So they say body no audience gum.
I have both. Ohima Bamiwo. Just in I have the heart too. It's so Mama Cash, Pacho, go ahead. Sorry.
Body no sense gum. Body no sense no boy. They never watch it no. One fancio gum. Mi baba ye 13 akaba akosisi ha die no ma omuhu ye no nipa no ya na sika
Mama Cash ento kasa no ana ye wo network na
mi network
Mama Cash, your network is bad.
Oh, why my network?
And I am me
my network.
Yes, it's okay. I've gotten yours to be.
My network is bad. I'm going.
I almost want to come back on Mama Cash. I'm saying na be a mention that.
Yeah. Nipano ewu na obi ni iroba kuso ewo we de won tiase okobisa ya o se ma me no na wi asase ka hwe ade ni ba ni nyina ewu ebi wo Germany ni nyina ewu etu ko fo we wa ho o mu bodu ya no a ebia wasam ye de o ba bia asa na o bodu ya no but ebia ba kwa ka kire wanye mi hujuma mi de eduabon de mi ko eti asemo mi kabi mi be ye display mi ye we eye mi ya so enye eduabo system nu nkura o de jayo mo wai omo kwa ye be numa bru ni eso akonu ma bru omo ye na si eti no problem bye bye Nico. Still brother Siba catch and say me panic your reputation so you would in a course of your sim right. Mean that bio. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Mama Cash. Akwaba. Oh, it's not there. Hey, and better na because I am seeing it. I say okay, Vivian, so send me a DM. Why? Send me a DM. And as I want me WhatsApp number, and so I WhatsApp me, I'll send it to you, and then you say it is there. Number no, but Vivian, so now Vivian, me so the yellow winner was true on and no why? Medo. Akwa bampacho ti make asa. Oh, okay. Queen Pacho oti make asa. Hey, okay. I was having Pacho.
Yes, yeah, hi, right now. At the same.
Yes, sir. The more
At the
Pacho
same.
now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi, right now. At the same.
Yes, sir. The more Pacho. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You, that my blue order.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we stand for Michio Sir Alex, King K, Sir Roland, any Obia, Nana Hema de, meeting in Acheka cry. I hope so be a way.
Yes, sir.
And me so me or him, my friend, buy him and the cow tosso me. Na I
Oh.
had a was here on a friend near my back, and I did my request is a first time by what picking me into Meniaji.
And if
But me
yeah,
by
I
her
am
and
a
kita dear me and sa. First one eh, Diabono Conforne Ebobono. Diabono, sometimes no movie if he says, yeah, Diabone be a hobby crab or the other that. But for some reason, what protection, you know, a protector, but soon as Obi Bobo be a bear activate, you know. Diabo be a shebe no appear it will condemn cry now, wouldn't Obi or Bobby or the other side and I activate but wouldn't. But no, some of fun to a my dream. And a second, no, so, me per se, made way to Brales and him says, some movie 1 year now. Obi a ọgbọ onye mọ Odo Broni so betimi organize a concert am Odo Broni monarch no money like different people abụbọ onye mama no so betimi organize a concert to National Theatre na nkọfọ akọbi a nke ọnụ so be nice na
nice.
ọnụ so be boa ana me third me dia how wa hu sa me dia how pa boss anyu we ma me kwadwe ntwi sikadama Akosua breaks why pacho o sa me dia how be 3 days di
Ampa.
it and I'm on necklace no so me pay bi o the da o krom no say me di from into my tin me from no I send me bi why
Pacho Mati. Nana Mati.
okay me
Yeah,
that's
that's it.
it. All right.
Thank you for
Bye
raising
bye.
the platform. Thank you. All right, dear. Thank you so much. Was from Pacho. Mama me more enyum way and from my sister Obisa ni mo say enyum way or request especially for Odo Broni because Oshenia ma ye dia Odo Broni over almost like a year ni na Oshe the course when it comes to the exposes, the ntokwa, the diabo, the whatever. And go for a sorry and now almost like obia or cassette and something is actually happening now. Or Felicia anyway would do. Okay, this song would do for you can say yeah mami Odo Broni. So say anyway no obisa ediaman or what I say, but mami starting anyway. I was having a patrol. Said your sister I can't, and you were sorry because my Odo Broni is one of the songs I love. Okay, and you ma Damakoma so like day. And so whenever I play it, I get so much emotional singing this song because why not? I was having a patrol. Not me. Kai was saying. We are still in the football season, okay? As I always send this car, and they are told Jay-Z, so always send this car kobe, be your money transfer, be our Miss Serwaa, but you use the Pay Angel app. What I say, I chose say it's a very convenient and very reliable money transfer app. Oko Play Store, Oko Apple Store, me pacho, you will get this app, me pacho download it. Now you so Rahel Show your promo code, okay? We have partnered with them. Your promo code your 10 and I said 10. Use it me patcho nafa send this because baby I will be or Ghana bet me you so send this to whoever or abrocha baby I will be able to me use until the old Diane say download the Pay Angel app. Edini Pay Angel together or download there me pacho now they are send this kako baby you're going to love it now me adia ba kwa e Pay Angel app ho a e many kind say whenever I receive money from them yeah the message they give me I'm what the receiving end so sweet unlike I've received a lot of money from different apps but this one is different I say it gives me some kind of excitement because of how they present the message to me. Me patrol use it and then your people so I'll best send this card their will be and I know said they'll also love the messages that they're going to receive. I miss the money that is coming to them. Me patrol use the Pay Angel app and then me patrol me kai will say one Lumba and super me patrol. Please get yours, okay? Me patrol Lumba in super baby will be when you call the numbers, me pacho come me page. I won't say my year an ad for Lumba in super, and the number is boldly written on my screen. Me pacho pick a number no, not from maybe I would be an place you order. They're going to bring it or deliver it to you, and I say you can even go and pick up from their warehouse near there. Me pacho your party, any form of event. Me pacho please order Lumba super because the bottling and everything is so beautiful. Now me Kai wants to say so pe jewelry papa pa dear. Now me pacho please come to me more, okay? Come to the Rahel Beauty Shop because I have say be any my panyin na I have say jewelry. Bibia, I don't know, earrings, bracelets, watches, bibia, anklets, bibia, necklaces, bibia, okay, tiara, the boy a team for weddings and all that, me patch up your bridal stuff, okay, and it's na your page on Instagram, we didn't hear Bridals Diary G because we deal mostly in bridal stuff, and to me patch up, oh, you'll be a worry, and I say, oh, yeah, we are me patch up, contact us, and then again, me patch up, yeah, well, beats, and so we have beats as well, and then I wanted that I'm not able to post most of them on the page. In any nana you post it, and you know, but Instagram there we have most of the things posted there, and me patch up. Rahel Beauty Shop on TikTok. Please follow the page, and then Oko Instagram. So who Bridals Diary GH. I know what follow page now, mine because it's still ours. What I say, me patcho. Then again, me patcho you'll be a open makeup. So me patcho. We do makeup for all events, and you know, contacting me patcho. We can come to you and then do it for you. You can also come to us, and then we'll serve you beautifully. What I say, we train students as well, but training a day. See, I know my time is so limited. I'll do the training at the right time, and I'll let all of you know. All right, it was a form patcho. Na baby ya so I know what you subo for ointment my your friend of Male proper go for some baby crowd the bigger size and you know I'm now getting it so that I could add to their orders for them. And me patcho baby I will be me patcho I dey be who here be you can contact us, and then to abroche phone so no I know some most of you know I na mo pen nyama e wo Ghana but nyama bi wo Ghana mo pe you don't know who to get them for you, me patron. Oh, you'll be our brooch. Now, baby, especially from Ghana, you can contact me. You pick my number, come to my DM, and then probably will be able to help you out. All right, so Alex, please kindly come in.
So, Yami and Shao.
It's okay, I have unclear too. We have unclear too.
Yes, so here a bizarre question before, but
and I'm okay. Yes. You have unclear.
Okay, it's the way make assembly at what you do for now has said that I know Mokasa mu etepa na we dear omu be a all casa at the tia baby and I say here omu and Cassancho. Say be all can simbine tiamra na se bibia emrano ebitimi ene wo adipa nti so mo kasa mo transit so mo nya careful pa ewo mo ejina afidi so ada watie phone so ase mo abo papa if I should tell you nyoma bebree tu wana mo wa mama adwuma no anye den kra nti emeda o ma se papa me ko manim kakra so a abusanpanyi Victor Usu edenchia emamu pa Rahel. So edenchia emamu pa also what say adwuma mo abo pa woni wachidi fo Rahel. Sisa what say o kasa epa dia na ne yeah o platform we so on the obeding. Wow. Obe bapa anti also edenchia pa yes. Also the any fe kra o platform no kra ho kra ne say mo de munni atem na nsema mo kan so de boa pa anti memfa ne nchi amamo pa na de mo ye bia no enko ye. So aside that today menim say obi wo question bi wono ma na bia menim say a lot of yi e wo ha say obi wo question bi e kire na dwen wo pentiase bi mo ne ade a ema sem na da so wo court enti ma wo se nkrofo bi sa ho asem eno so e wo court enti mo nkama komanto bi.
All right.
Obi will question be on my still have my national question be but me afana.
All right.
Oh, court and I reschedule court on the 29th of July. And a court and tracing flood and none Akosua crying into your mountain. But tomorrow is scheduled to next 29th of July. Madam Pacho, this is our question. I'm not with you.
So Alex, Pacho, wait, any question? Obem said that no. Yeah, last time I did buy before and na said Sunday no yesterday. Na obo bibi so refie wa no ensi. Wo ka say eduabo bi akoso baby nti. So the beka ho amaye wa Pacho.
I am in a mekaye.
Me and I say, Sister
Alex. Alex, wo ka say obi abodue bi
Mon come to me because anyoma bi no mo no ma ye tu ho na mo a me mpese ye beka ho asem sesei me pese nyame ya adom a anamo bi ye tu bia no mo be test wa ma send video bi dia ma o eti eno mo bete ho asem enche kra won say the team no say the yesi ye adwuma na efe ho te akọ no ehwam so papa enye gidigidi bia nti obete ho asem beba be to dwa ma internet nyina mo na beka nti mon kama koma ntom yam na ye de enyuma me ka chom se ya wi a sa duabo issue ni ya ye ho adwuma ya ye ho adwuma kra nti omo wote ho asema na beka se Mr. Alex kan yo nti munya abotre ma ye pa de ehia nyina ye the supporter ehia, that is it. But aside that mo de mo beje mani sa mani beje sa na na me adoma this week next week mo be ten sema Philip anti mon kama koma ntom yam na badika ka cho sama yire mfiri me se Ghana ebe de bruta mama yire mfiri sa ase okra so we mpacho
okay hold on.
So where na ka be can say
e man say kunye masika no wakodi bi na dey there's a pressure ma omo a Berlin conference
Thank you.
Berlin conference for you do o ma chi omo na this is before mo so since come before so the problem be be abey omo na tata o say Berlin be ye dey chom na frame me to am so ja be ma e ma dey sa tinya abotre but no kura ni say Pine ma nya asem ana wo Yesu ba wo fa lawyer ma wo fa lawyers 3 wo fa junior lawyers 2 obi agi 50,000 cedis for appearance madam me kan okro say na mo ma be jina wana mo ya mo zam ye holia dandawa e ba mo obi a mo ntwom say ye timi kata mo deja so e make sure say you people go out of it abra ye guy too much I don't stress say Rico.
Thank you. Why?
Meba for lawyers. Junior lawyers or money effect ya 2. And some of for Gary Abeka on 3. It is a moboka. Yet to buy this in a mamoboka. Obi a 50,000 cities. It's a man is ready. I want him out to say, Omun says, come. So what offer lawyers in you know, Obi a 50,000. That is cannot be do also to your mokami. It's in a man how. When I'm teaching from see na ya bad and I'm one my sika no one say me sika say me mpe o me sika dey here kwa na ya me den me bad sere me life me hard work o me kwa haso akọ me dey me oba na me pa me kwa haso up sika car was me top I'm that kind of person. It is a queen masika se me kwa me the number beto a e ma man for this ka me kwa me check kwa me kai say be 20,000 free akosa na but
me use the platform je 1 billion
if I charge 5,000 I say me come here 50,000
me use me platform only me je 1 billion
it's a do honor
50,000 Ghana
ba o say o be ka kire me say it's can be almost send ya amanti return o send screenshot ni bi o say me no anya chi me am so okay bro it me see anya hwe e ma di bia how. This is all I said. I didn't go around telling people, teaming around with people, trying to flip you, say a kind of crazy. I said, man, I'm a papa. Yes, but I'm a real as I can. Oza moya mo corruption mo janda me oza me dini. Me dini mo dia mo ba ka bia e say assumption of so you say go ma adwene su chem.
Ko ku peke mes na dia wa.
Su chem too much. Ma adwene no e ye adwuma chem. Eti Yesu ba won ko akọfa lawyers too ba na o pay ma asem. Me ya zamu na mori aba o. Mana mori aba. Mo pe ema asem asem.
Dinya nkon asante.
Omo di yo to no kwa lawyers no. Na was 1 billion e ko mo. Ama wo anko ko na odi o machi. Omo na tension o back door. E ma ni go ani ma sis we discuss. Me say Allah
If you different account to Bob now. President Abraham Pebikwa say the workers here he an interview kakra.
Meba omo frame me am the same thing omo catch me. And I make babo make say me use the platform the 1 billion man take 1 cent wom. E di say ya ba minimum the 20 years sika we say so no. E was say sika die say we discuss.
Ema ho exire na no she wonyina amanfo tie sika no so. Ye ka kire mo. It is a kwaku Kristo me fani me measurement. Ana me check mu nchira obi a me bu.
God bless you.
But ye see ano ya no no monti ase. No ti na e say de ino no.
Oh my God.
Ye adi ko obi ni atwa mu. O fra me no. And I will say a man say.
All right.
Sister Rahel, the entire ma utie this audio ne say. When you say Jumaya ye nyoma ye no. You deal with a lot of things you need to come up and make sure say the essay the fa amra kwan so mo bi essay busuapanyin ne nkofo hia bia na essay ye boa ma ekwayi. Enu ntina ba bia de asem na be ko bia na mo madinkonim. Enye bibia wo because ba bia mra ne da no ana asem ne da no wan fan to no ma essay. Enu ntina ma all the time bia no Sister Rahel. Abusuapanyin krofo ne na chidifo de asem ne ko ba bia na mama dinkunim afi abusuapanyin na the root of the whole issue because their issue is to get abusuapanyin out of the way enyama mere enyamra eti so the ombe try bia no because their target is ombe sorry ati Odo Broni ne ma and they've seen say abusuapanyin na e obi a o amamre kwan so no o hwe se bibia be ye na be papa. This is our mesre say every time biano get support to the M1 Kran say nkofo junior lawyers so Sister Rahel. The ka junior lawyers Sister Rahel when lawyer for atomu Kran look at how much money they are doing. See, I'll just plead with them. After you share the words of today, Sister Rahel, be careful of people that you affiliate yourself to. Be very careful. But also, be very careful about the people you bring around you. Abuchifo na yehu se bebre nam ho no. Ni papa wo mu pa. But enkrofo bi no so so a by their fruits with the matibi. They are very diabolic. They are very dangerous. And omani e mo mudwe. Safu is omu di bonia, they don't blink, they don't flink. Can you imagine say obi fi asem ye bo obi duawo obi fi asem ye de nema e dase obi fi asem ye konkrofo adwum kose o madwum obi fi asem ebinum atrase so mbe se o mabrabo mame de wote ho a ye waware papa bi no de Lumba kan se aware pa e ye libre de Lumba kan se aware pa ni bread. The reason nane say wonyame ayewa dum brawa brenan kanye bema bia na nye oba bia ka bebia ugina ka wunyina but say be aboa fidie chi na ni sunko ejai ne so a ni sunko so well enkofu bibiri akwakwa ete say aboa bia odidi wi akokọ no na no atwitwiri fom ewi ase hu say the people who say omo Ghana for no be careful. Ebinum Ghana no ye bia we knew some ye the papa but just affiliating to people omo akọbọ mu ewo aquantium no Sister Rahel, they become very dangerous, very poisonous. Omo yo boni a omo ntwene ho obi ni kuna tena 20 years bro ma bre be ma na dwen mo pone se ope anioma pa eni asetena pa dia mani yire ne mba. These are people that are very selfish, they are very greedy. And omo hwe se wo crowd ekuta na ombe sei akunkra na they are okay. Nti mesre omo ha pa se ochina obi ani so ade so be sei Ehu se nkrofo no na mo na mako nkrofo ko nduru so abosom so just to fight or contaminate the glory of Yakopon de amount. Me pacho ko nkutu dwane ma bobi ma wo yire okunu anawoma. For munu Yakopon muja mu because social media na da nkrofo baso no. Said you hunu nya sa na ti o. Depi. Entesa. Nti wo ha no ma me hye wo nkran se hwe wo yie. Hwe wo kasa mu yie. Na hwe wo yonkofa yie. DL nsem ya me ye hunu nkrofo bibre musu ba mo ne ye. Ene omusu a omde ti wiase. Na me de bia masem ameka. And say the people you bring around ema ye hunu who you are. Enti mesre o platform yi pastor wa he. Ye nhwe eno na yenye. Aware bibira na nkegu wa kwantum organa nke mu. Sika nti obi ye ne nua bone a. Sesa wa he. De omu ye nyina ne fapem ye sikasem. Ne fapem e sikasem. Because obi ahu say adigija ho ye nananam kan no. Omu say ni muna enenam. But because say ebinum anya bi ndi binum adi abroso ebinum sika akama no mo expect your monsan kanti. Ene they are destroying themselves. But eno e ma chiro sema mo kan say wo ne nkwa eda tachirema no so na de wodo no na wudi na ba. These people did it with impunity. Omo eye nioma bia omo anwene ho na omo nka se mo yie di na omo hwe nyama mi akonu se won to ko bi na mo ko de bi enje bia bo so be yi ma me na se nchen omo be kan nsem pa de ato wiase na omo pia na to reason say omo betimi akọ the next phase aye in business onya asem ade aba ho no maka yenye careful e ho Mr. Rahel ya me shira woni watifo me da say.
Thank you so much, Sir Alex. AJ, Patrol, please kindly come here. Akosua, Nyankopon Shamo, if you're able to send to the PR team, God bless you. All right, AJ, Patrol. Anna Ibia, she requested by mistake. All right, Brian Patrol, your last words now. Yeah, she say, if you'll be able to draw the curtains for today.
The American say, yeah. Omo kuna mdika kaya no. Abi say, what you ask me for Israel kaya. O say ni maame kura ka say omunya ya. O nya ni maame bi obi asem. Aya masem. Obi asem ma gire hu din mu bro hu ndia. Na o me dey say asante kuna za wan ka metin voice ka dey no church o. Say ono say akodi second wa mo. Wo gina ho e be ka say obi